نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وأصحابه وبعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما. Now that we have studied our four properties of a sim in a basic Nahu. Today we are going to start fragment study, the remaining fragments that we are doing. And you know that there are five common fragments. The first one is jar, majur, then there is harf nasab ismuha, then there is al-idafa, then mawsuf sifa, and the last one is ismul ishara, mushara ilayhi. So these are the common fragments that we study under uh, uh, ism. So today we are going to learn about the descriptive phrase, and that is also called as a murakkab tawsifi in Arabic, commonly called as Mosuf Sifa fragment. So, this descriptive phrase is a combination of two nouns, as we can see here. And the second noun in this fragment, because it describes the first, that is why it is called an adjective or the sifa. So, as you can see here on the screen, there is an example given. Qawlan sakila. This is a fragment in which the first one is a mawsuf. The first word is a mawsuf, and the word that is describing the second word is its sifa, that is sakila. Qawlan sakila, word heavy, a heavy word. And this mawsuf, this first word is also called as manut. And the second noun, which is its sifa, is also called, can be called as naat. Mosuf or manut or sifa or naat, we can call it. When we are going to use the term manut, then we are going to say naat. And when we are going to say mosuf, we are going to call its adjective as a sifa. Okay, so now the important thing that we are going to learn in this Mosuf Safa fragment is that these two words will be in full agreement with each other in all four properties of an ism. And now we are already well aware of the four main properties of ism, that is status, the i'rab, number, the adad, gender, the jins, and type, the tarif. So this Mosuf Sifa fragment will be in full agreement with each other. Like for example, this word here given Kaulan Sakilan, let's see their four properties. The first property is the status, the Arab, and as we can see that this word is ending with a double fathas, it is a mansoob word, that is nasab in the status. So the word following it, that its adjective will be mansoob as well. They see this, the double fathahs here. So they both are in they both are mansoob or they are in the nasab state. Let's look at the second property, that is al-adad. So they look at the first word, that is the mansoob. It is singular word. It is a single word, and then because of that, its sifa will be singular as well. So you can see that Kaulan Sakilan is also in full agreement the with respect to its number. Then comes the third property of the ism, and that is jins, the gender. We can see that the word kaulan is masculine, as we know that all the Arabic words by default they are masculine. We can see that this word kaulan is masculine, and there is no sign of femininity, visible sign of femininity in this word. So that is why its adjective or the its sifa will also be masculine. Sakilan, qawlan sakilan. Then comes a tarif or the type of the word that is common or proper. That is, it can be marifa or nakira. As you know that there is no in this word, the common sign of marif noun. So it will have a common sifa noun. So here, Qawlan Sakiran is this word Mosu and Sifa both are common. So this will be a exact Murakkab Tawsifi or Mosu Sifa fragment because they are in full agreement with each other in all these four properties of the ism: the status, the number, the gender, and the type. Arab, al-adad, al-jins, and al-tarif. Right? Okay. So let's have some more examples. And as we are going to study last nasab and its isim in our next lecture, inshallah, and we will be done with the fragment study. Okay, let's go to the next slide now. Okay, now look at here. There's a common rule here for Mawsuf and Sifa fragment. Note that if the Mawsuf is Jama Mukassar Ghair Akil, and we are well aware of this Jama Mukassar Ghair Akil word. We have studied about it that Jama Mukassar are the broken plurals. And those who want to learn more about the broken plurals, they can go back and check the videos relating to the broken plurals. So Ghair Akil is the non-human. uh, Akil is from Aql. Ghair Akil means all those who do not have Aql. So those are the non-humans. So Jama Mukassar Ghair Akil is a non-human broken plural. And whenever we have a Jama Mukassar, the words which are Jama Mukassar but they are non-human or they are Ghair Akil, we are going to use a singular feminine sifa because we know that the sifa should follow it in all four properties. So that is why the sifa that we are going to use for Jama Mukassar Ghair Akil will be singular feminine. But but as you know that there are always exceptions in grammar in Arabic grammar language. There there are so sometimes, but plurals feminines can also come in some cases because we know that there are some rules, and mostly the rules have some exceptions. They always have exceptions. So here the exception is that a plural feminine can come in Jama Mukassar Ghair Aqil. And inshallah, we are going to learn why we use plural feminine in Jama Mukassar Ghair Aqil words. And that we are going to study in our advanced grammar, inshallah. So here are some examples for the Mawsuf Jama Mukassar Ghair Aqil. The first word is abwabun. Look at here. This abwabun is a Jama Mukassar Ghair Aqil word and it is followed by a singular feminine sifa, mutafarriqatun. And what is the sign of the singular feminine? The sta mabuta at the end of the word. This. So abwabun mutafarriqatun, different doors. So a plural non-human is followed by a singular feminine sifa. Let's go to the next sample. Suhufun mutahharatun, pure books. This is the plural form of sahifa, and this is as the construction of the word shows us that it is a jama mukassar, a ghair aqil word, so it is followed by a singular feminine sifa. This tam abuta is showing that it is a singular feminine word. Pure books. The next one is ayyamun madudatun, and here ayyamun madudatun. So here maduda and here madudatun. The reason behind using the two words, two sifas, one for one time it is singular feminine, and here it is plural feminine. We are going to inshallah study in our advanced grammar that why sometimes one time in the Quran the singular feminine sifa is used, and other time it is plural feminine is used. So ayyamun is a broken plural. Ayyamun, the plural form of yom, but for it we can see that we have two sifas here, the singular feminine and the plural feminine. So as I told you, there are always exceptions in grammar rules. Ashrun malumatun, again here feminine plural form is used for the sifa for the non-human broken plural, the jama mukasa ghair akil, and again that there will be the same reason for this as well. And inshallah we are going to learn soon. Bakaratun simanun, again the fat cows, again this is a ghair akil word, and this word is jama mukassar. So we are going to use it with the singular feminine sifa. Alhamdulillah. So we are done with examples. Here are some more examples from the Quran. There's a list of words, the Mawsuf Sifa fragments, and we are going to check few of them to see how they are used in the Quran. And you can also highlight these all Mawsuf Sifa fragments in your Quran to go and refer them whenever you want. Here are the references of the examples given, so we can highlight them in our musafs. Look at the first example, Al-Kitabu Al-Mubin. As we learn that the Mawsuf Sifa fragment will always be in full agreement with each other. So here we can see this is a proper noun. Al is used here. So it is used with the proper sifa. Al-Kitabu Al-Mubin. Look at the next example. It is without al. So the sifa used here is without al. Kitabun, mubinun. And all other three properties are also matched. A masculine sifa. Masculine word, masculine sifa. Kitabun, karimun. Quranun, mubinun. Masculine word, masculine sifa. Quranun, majidun. Singular, singular sifa. Just like that, these all examples show us a Mawsuf Sifa fragment. Yawmun, Azimun. A masculine word, masculine Sifa. Ajrun, Azimun. Here, this is Dhamma. Here it is Dhamma. Both are Mamdu. Again, so these are the examples from the Quran. Inshallah. So you can go and highlight all the examples from in your Quran. So this is a murakkab tawsifi, the descriptive phrase, and it is a combination of two nouns where the second noun describes the second one, the first one. So we are inshallah will be doing our harf harf of nasab and isim. It's isim in our next lecture, and then our fragment studies will be completed, and we are going to start our surf studies inshallah, and we are also going to complete our basic nahu, and only few of the topics are left that we will be covering soon inshallah, and then we are going to start our advanced nahu as well. So see you all in the next lecture. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت وأستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.